Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to make some magical journaling cards. Okay, so I'm gonna try to talk through this live. Well, not live, but while I'm working, because I think I fixed the mic issue on my camera. And if it turns out that I haven't, then I'll just record a voiceover as per usual. So today I wanted to make some journaling cards, and I wanted to sort of simplify it because if I'm honest, making ephemera, like, for some reason really stresses me out. I think it's because there can be so many things that you can use to make the piece of ephemera. That's one. And then also like cutting papers. I'm good with cleaning up like wet messes, if that makes sense, like things that I can wipe down with like a wet wipe or something. But when it comes to like cleaning up tiny pieces of paper or like little dried up pieces of glue or things like that, it really really like frustrates me to no end. So like there's literally an endless supply of things that you could use, but I thought if I could simplify that to just like a few things and it would still come out cute, then maybe that would help those of you out there that are like me. The first thing, I'll put this to the side for now, but the first thing I have are journaling cards. So I went ahead and I coffee dyed these. Some of them have really nice impressions. And then some I went ahead and I was playing with my watercolors, and I'm going to try and incorporate it as much as I can into whatever I'm working in, or on rather. Here I just colored some of them, and this could be like a whole side project. Like you could have a day where you can just like, you know, sort of prepare your journaling cards. So you would need like 2 pieces of paper. I'm choosing an art paper and a scrapbook paper. I would say you need a focal point or a main image if you'd like. This I fussy cut from some fabric, and then something to the side to kind of anchor it. And then you have your tab. You can use a fabric tab, you can use a paper ruffle, you can use whatever you want, but you want something that kind of pokes out, because my thought behind that was here I have like my little watercolor thing, and it's so cute, like the way it peeks out. So I wanted something like this that I could possibly put in here. Well, this card is like really big for this journal, or like for another journal. Yeah, this card is way bigger than, but I thought it would be cute if it like pokes out. So that's it. That's all you would need. You would need some kind of tab or little thing that like adds some flair, 2 pieces of different kinds of paper, a focal point or a main image, and a smaller image that you can put to the side. So we'll get started on arranging this. I think I'm going to attach a tab here to the top because this is really wide, and I don't want anyone to think that this is the end all and be all to to ephemera. If you're new, this is just like a little formula that I came up with to try and like make it easy, if that makes sense. I'm trying to make it easy for anyone who is sort of overwhelmed by the idea of ephemera, but don't feel like you have to follow this rule at all. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this probably here, but also I'm going to probably do that, kind of like that, which is a bummer because it kind of hides all the color. So what I may do, maybe do this, and then we can do this, and then we can do, well, it's oriented wrong. We can do this, and we can do this, and then here maybe we can hand letter something So yeah, let's do that. So we'll do this piece first. I like this side better. So we'll do it like that. And then we can do this piece here. So like that. It's looking super cute. And then we're gonna do this here, kind of like that, to like that way, kind of like the way a planchette would be if you were using it. Now I'm trying to figure out what way do I want the star. I think that way would be cute. What should I hand letter? I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And then maybe do some wonky stars. Like that. And I think that we will sew, probably. So this is going to be one that we will sew. And let's do maybe one or two more. Let's do a different one. I think I like this one a lot. And for this one, let's do a different shape. Let's do the triangles. All right, and I think for this one, the green would look really cute. And we've got some leaves. So maybe we could do this, sort of like that. Kind of like this, and like this. I think would be cute. This time we're putting the stuff up here. So let's go ahead and do that. I feel like this though could be sort of ripped like this. Yeah, that's good. Go ahead and put it down there. And then we have this little piece. Oh, this is cool. This toad one kind of fits right there. And then maybe we can grab something else right here. I think I will use this sticker, but the thing with these stickers is you have to use glue because they don't really stick that well. Hence getting glue all over your hands. I think I will use spell. That's the word that's coming to me right now, so. I will do spells. Like this. So we have two thus far, which we will we'll do some sewing detail on these. You don't have to, but sometimes it like is super cute and it adds a lot to your page. I wonder, this one I think I will do because it's really shimmery. And maybe this one. I'm not sure. I might do this one. We'll use these rainbows for this one. Making sure it's centered. So that's good. And then maybe for this one, we will do more fabric. I really like this fabric. And it has like the eye and the moon. I almost want like the whole half of this to be like this square. Let's do it. And there's that weird gap, but it doesn't really bother me though. But maybe we should just use a little strip. Or because I feel like this, I'm not vibing with like this flower. I may instead cover on this side. So we will put our strip here. So this is what it looks like. I'm kind of vibing with this, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if adding anything to this will make it kind of messed up. I do kind of like the number 13 though. So will 13 be cool here? It won't get lost though, because it's like that gray. Let me see what else I have here. Or maybe I can do, since we are in cool mode here, I can do a row of stars. Well, that's pretty cute. Do we leave it in the middle like this? Or do we put it at the edge? But then this thing still sticks out. Maybe the flower is fine there, and I can put this here instead. Maybe I could do that. And then remove a star. Or put a star under. All right. We'll have Spooky here, kind of sideways. And we'll have our star somewhere here. Or just have it sort of under. And then have our spooky moment right there. Kind of like that. I can move this down more. I think we'll do that. That's cute. So I won't write anything because we already have writing up here. So this is it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and sew these, and then I will be back. Okay, so we are all done here pretty much, I would say. So this is what it looks like. I like to leave kind of string poking out just because I like the way it looks. Now, if you wanted to do an extra step, if you didn't like writing like around the sewing, I personally like that. I think it's interesting. But you could just take another one and glue it to the back, and then you wouldn't see that part. But I think that adds to the magic and the interest and the whimsy and all the things. So that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know which one's my favorite. I love them all. I really couldn't choose. If I did, it would probably be between these two, but I really love the triangles on the top, and I love the way they glitter. So cute. But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys join me next Sunday for our video. I think I'm gonna do that grimoire flip, that mini grimoire flip. If you're interested in that, let me know down in the comments, or if you have any other video ideas, let me know down in the comments. I'm always looking out for ideas. Have my ears open. My eyes are open. Everything's open for ideas on what to film next. So yeah, I'm gonna stop myself here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you so much, and I will see you on the next one.